Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The first gain is that Pakistan's capability to lead the world would be showcased globally. We are starting with health, but there is more to come. We need to right imagine Pakistan in the global community. And this summit is the first step in that direction. The second gain is the confidence of the international stakeholders and partners on the Pakistan health sector capacity and commitment. And that will be a bigger gain in the big scheme of things as far as the health sector development in Pakistan is concerned, which is the universal health coverage agenda that we would like to attain. And this summit would provide